Alright, in this tutorial we just want to show you how you can use two apps at the same time, how you can split your apps. So this is for illustration purposes only. Open the app which I want to use, this BandLab.
When the app is open, open your second app. I open Docs. Minimize by pressing any of the two buttons. Press the app icon. Press Open in split screen view. The first app will appear in half screen as shown. You can adjust the height of the view. Lastly, choose your second app.
Thanks for watching.